Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello, dear students. How are you all? The elevator to success is out of order. You will have to take stairs one step at a time. Welcome to Maths by Murtaja sir. Today we are going to solve SSLC Model Question Paper 3 for Class 10 Mathematics, strictly based on the State Board syllabus and exam pattern. This session is specially designed to help you understand how questions are framed in board exams, learn correct stepwise presentation for full marks, identify important repeated concepts, improve speed, accuracy, and confidence, avoid common mistakes those students make in exams. We will solve these questions exactly from the examiner's point of view so that you can score maximum marks in your upcoming SSLC examination. Keep your notebook and pen ready, pause the video whenever needed, and solve along with me. Let's begin our preparation with full confidence. Before starting solving question paper, we will have a icebreaker session. Question: if 3x equal to 27, what is the value of x square plus 1? Don't rush, solve mentally first, pause the video for 15 seconds and try. Okay, time up, then solution. Look, 3x equal to 27. So it will give us x equal to 9. If we will keep this value in the given expression, then after the simplification, we will have answer 82. So your answer is correct. Very good. Answer is 82. This shows how basic algebra clarity helps us solve quickly in exams. So great. Your mind is now active and ready. Now let us start solving SSLC Model Question Paper 3. While solving, I will explain which steps fetch marks, how to present answers neatly, time management tips, important formulas to remember, board level shortcuts. So stay focused and learn smartly. Let's begin our first question. So before starting, some more thing I want to share with you. If this video helps you, keep practicing daily and believe in yourself. Success in maths comes with consistency. If you want, I can also provide Hindi-English mixed version, motivational opening lines, subject-wise customized icebreakers, closing remarks for each video, thumbnail title ideas, PPT or PPT or script format. Just tell me what you need next. So SSLC model question paper set 3. We will start with the multiple choice questions. There are 8 questions. Each question contains 1 mark here. If the lines represented by the pair of linear equations 3x plus 2ky equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel, then the values of k is dash. We know that if the lines are parallel, then they satisfy their coefficient in this way. Okay, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So here we need these first two ratios. So from the equation first, a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to 2k, a2 equal to 2 and b2 equal to 5. So ratio a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. If we keep all the values, then 3 by 2 equal to b1 2k upon 5. Cross multiplication, and then 4k equal to 15, and then k equal to 15 by 4. This is the answer. So our answer is C, 15 by 4. Next question, any composite number can be expressed as the product of dash. Let us take one example of the composite number. So we can see that here 12 is the composite number, and it can be factorized as in 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So all are the prime numbers. So our answer is prime numbers. Next question, the length of rectangle is 3 times the breadth. The area of the rectangle is 75 centimeters square. The quadratic equation to find the length and breadth of the rectangle is dash. So suppose breadth equal to x, length equal to 3x. Now area formula, as we know that length into breadth. Area is already given here 75. Length is 3x multiplied by breadth x. So therefore 3x square equal to 75. If we move by transpose method 75 RHS to LHS, then we will get 3x square minus 75 equal to 0. So that is why our answer is C here. Next question, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression an equal to 2n minus 1, then fourth term is dash. So in this formula we will keep n equal to 4. So a4 equal to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So 4 to the 8 minus 1 equal to 7. So our answer is 7. Next question, in the following pair of triangles that are always similar are dash. So isosceles triangles we could not say, because in isosceles triangle we have issues about the third side. So this answer will not come. Any two equilateral triangles, yes, this answer is correct, because equilateral triangles are always equiangular triangles. So the answer is any two equilateral triangles. Right triangle also we could not take because we don't know other measures. Same way for the scalar triangles. Next question, the formula to find the value of the formula to find the volume of a sphere of radius r unit is this is the volume formula for sphere. So we have to learn, remember, prepare and write the formula properly in the exam. Okay, V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cubic units. Number 7 is median equal to L plus into the bracket n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. Here F refers to what? So F is what? Frequency of the median class, that we know, so we have to take the correct answer here. Next question, the 0 of the polynomial Px equal to 5x plus 3 is, we have to compare 5x plus 3 with a 0. So after comparing and transposing method, 5x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 by 5 by transposition. So our answer is a minus 3 by 5. Question number 9. In the given figure, DE parallel BC, DE parallel BC, all the measures are given here that we have kept in the figure, and we have to find the value of AD. So by the BPT theorem or Thales theorem, we will have ratios AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. After keeping all the value and simplification, we will get AD equal to 2.4 centimeter. Next question, question number 10. Write the distance of a point PAB from the origin. Origin means O, 0, 0. From origin to point PAB, if we will use the distance formula, then our answer is D equal to square root of A square plus B square. Next question, in the quadratic polynomial fx equal to x square minus 9x plus 20, find the value of f1. So here we know that in the place of x we have to keep a value 1. So we have to write the polynomial again. Now as in the beginning we had discussed, so as per examiner's point of view, we have to write all the steps properly here. This is a 1 mark question, but we have to show all the steps properly, appropriately. So first we will write the polynomial, then we will keep the value properly, then the deal of the integers, addition and subtraction, and then we will get f1 equal to 12. Next question, question number 12. In the arithmetic progression, if the sum of first 4 terms is 20 and sum of first 3 terms is 12, then find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. In the syllabus, this formula is not given, but this formula is very important here to apply. An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is the relation of nth term to sum of nth term minus sum of one preceding sum, means n minus 1. So here as per this formula, look, this formula is only here, n, then n equal to 4, then Sn means 4 and n minus 1 is 3. These values are given here. So after keeping this value, we will directly get the fourth term here. So you have to remember this formula for the exam perspective. An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Now a rectangular sheet of paper 40 centimeter and 22 centimeter is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of height 40 centimeter. Find the radius of the cylinder. I am giving this example. Here you can see this example. Height is 40 centimeter. Suppose the height of the rectangle is 40 centimeter, and this is its breadth is 22 centimeter. So we are rolling the cylinder from this breadth. So this breadth becoming circumference here, because if we roll the cylinder, that cylinder would be in that way. So its width means breadth becoming the circumference. Look, this width becoming the circumference here in that way. So 22 is the circumference. So we will keep the circumference formula C equal to 2 pi r. 22 circumference, this is given as one of the dimension of rectangle, and 2 and 22 by 7 for the pi. Then we will get the radius from the calculation as 3.5 centimeter. So real life application question is application based question it is. So keep proper attention on this question. Next question, the graph of pair of linear equations in two variables is shown below. what is the number of solution does the pair have? So here it is very clear that lines are parallel. So that is why no solution. So answer is what? Very simple. No solution. They are not meeting with each other. So answer is no solution. Next question. If sin A plus sin square A equal to 1, then find the value of cos square A plus cos to the power 4A. Here the given result is very important. This we have to use very appropriately. So by modifying it, look, sin A we will keep as LHS and other terms means sin square A we will forward into RHS. So it becomes minus sin square A. This is the identity. You know that cos square A. This is a very important result 1 for us. Now again, with these equations, we will proceed. Okay, we will squaring both the sides here. So we will have sin a to bracket over to the square and cos square a bracket over to the square. After squaring, sin square a equal to cos to the power 4a. This is the second result. These two values, again we will take our given and we will keep the value of sin a. This is here and sin square a, this we obtain here, we will keep here one by one. Then we will have the relationship of cos square a plus cos to the power 4a and the answer is again 1. So in that way we have to solve this question. Next question, question number 16. Okay, the probability of an event A is 1 upon 5 and Na equal to 2. Na is what? Okay, favorable outcomes. Then find the value of Ns. Ns means what? Okay, total number of outcomes. So the formula is Pa equal to 1 upon 5, Na equal to 2. We will keep the formula Pa equal to Na by Ns. Now cross multiplication, Ns we will take here and Pa will go here. We will keep both the values here. After the simplification, answer is 10. So total number of outcomes Ns equal to 10. Next question, question number 3. Answer the following questions. Here again 8 questions. Each question contains 2 marks. We have to answer here 8 questions and we have to earn appropriately without losing any single mark or half mark. We have to earn 16 marks here. So let us prepare these questions. These are the very important questions for the exam perspective. Prove that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So we know that here which procedure we have to use. So to prove, we will use the contradiction method. We will assume that 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. If number is rational, then we can write rational, then it can be written in the form of a upon b, and a and b are co-prime number and b is not equal to 0. Now we will use the transpose method and simplify. Root 3 we will keep on LHS and rest term we will shift on RHS. So after simplifying, we will get root 3 equal to a minus 2b divided by b. So here the deal of RHS will give us rational number because a and b are integers. So RHS is a rational number. So RHS is equal to root 3. So root 3 is also rational number. But we know that root 3 is an irrational number. So this contradicts this fact is with our this root 3 rational number. So this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption, because we have assumed that 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. So that is why our conclusion is what here? 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So by the contradiction method, automatically it can be proven that it is an irrational number. Here you can see that how the marks are allotted for the each steps. So that is why in the examination you have to write the steps very properly. You have not to skip the steps. So that is why again and again I am coming to this point. Next question, question number 18. Okay, in the given figure, PA and PB are tangents to the circle with center O. PA equal to 4 centimeter and this angle is given to you 40 degree. Then find the measure of angle AOB and find the length of PB that you have to find. So PB without any calculation we can find by the theorem. So one answer without any calculation using the theorem number to 10.2 you can write KPA equal to PB equal to 4 and it is given in the last. Okay, the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. Now for this angle let us calculate. Okay, the line segment PO bisects the angle APB. This fact also we know that. The line segment PO bisects the angle APB. This angle is bisected. So, if we find the angle APB, then it is a double of angle APO. In a quadrilateral, this quadrilateral, it is a very clear, quadrilateral is which quadrilateral? AOBP. This is the quadrilateral. It is very clear its total sum is 360 and these two angles are 90 degree that we know. So 90 plus 90 180 that we know. So we will take the angle sum property of quadrilateral here. We will keep 90 90 here. Then also we found the angle APB is 80 degree here. So after keeping all the values, we will get angle AOB as a 100 degree. Now this is our first answer. Okay, find the measure of angle AOB and this is 100 degree. And second answer already first we found without any calculation. So in that way both the answer we found. So write all the answers very appropriately. Okay, let us move on the next question, question number 19. Okay, solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. Here it is a very easily given as plus y and minus y. So after the addition, easily it can be cut. So 2x plus 2x, 3x, 10 plus 2, 12. After solving x equal to 4, keep x equal to 4 in equation number 1 or 2. Here it is kept in equation number 2, then value of y equal to 2. So in that way solve the elimination method. Look, for first answer 1 mark, for second answer second marks. Next question, question number 20. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 1, a is a 1 and the 14th term is 53, then find the nth term of this progression. So a or a1 equal to 1, 14th term is 53. So look, again formula based sum. So keep learning the formulas properly, keep the formula. If look, after keeping the correct formula you will get half marks. Now after keeping the correct value again you will get half marks. Then solve it properly, then you will get d equal to 4, difference d equal to 4. Keep this difference and first term value in the nth term formula again. Then we will get the nth term formula for the given arithmetic progression an equal to 4n minus 3. Next question, question number 21. Find the HCF. Look, this is the little twisted questions as per the our uh, state syllabus. Okay, this type of sum is not in our syllabus, but here little twisting. Okay, find the HCF of 135 and 75. First by prime factorization method, and then find the LCM of 20 with whatever the HCF we found here, with it we have to find. So this is little confuse us in the exam, but have not to confuse. Go through properly. First find factorization of given number, find their HCF, then your HCF is 15 here. Now you have to take the given number 20 and your obtained HCF is 15 here. So again you have to factorize both the number and then find their LCM as a 60. This is your second answer. So in that way we have to solve the question of HCF and LCM appropriately. Okay, next question, question number 22. Okay, find the value of y for which the distance between the points P2 minus 3 and Q10y is 10 units. So we will write for P2 minus 3 x1 y1, Q10y for x2 y2. We will use this distance formula, keep all the values properly here, then you will get this equation, root 36 equal to y plus 3. So after taking the square root, here root 36, we will have two values plus 6 and minus 6. So for plus 6 and for minus 6, we will get two values of y. So in first case, using plus 6, the value of y is 3. And in second case, minus 6, the value of y equal to minus 9. Why there are two values? Because we know that y is positive in first and second quadrant and y is negative in third and fourth quadrant. Okay, so next question. This is the internal option for the given lesson. Okay, find the coordinates of the point, given point minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3, which divided by the required point in the ratio 2 is to 3. So here very good way it is written all the things. X1 is a minus 1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4, y2 is minus 3 and the ratio m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. So all the things we will write here very nicely here, then we will keep the values in the formula appropriately. So again the formula is there. Again look, formula. So in the beginning in the video we have kept more attention on the formula. If we know the formula, we can solve any sum from the question paper. So point Pxy, this is the required point, is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Keep all the values from the above table, simplify, then we will have answer 1 3. Pxy equal to p1 3. This is the required answer. Next question, question number 23. In the given figure, write the value of sec b and cot a. So sec b figure is already given. Sec b, we know that hypotenuse upon adjacent. So as per the sec b, hypotenuse is 13 and adjacent is 5. So 13 by 5. And for cot A means this angle. So cot A is what? Okay, adjacent upon opposite. So as per cot A, adjacent is 12 and opposite is 5. So 12 by 5. So very easy question from trigonometry. We have to write the value properly in the fraction form. Write answer only in the fraction form. Do not convert in the decimal form. Okay, let us go for the next question. Okay, find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So we know that here the coefficient is there. So we have to multiply 2 with minus 6, then minus 12. Now we have to factorize minus 12 and make two parts in that way. Okay, their sum or addition is 1. Here 1. So 1 and their multiplication is again minus 12. So we know that 4 3s are 12. So 4 and minus 3 will give plus 1 here and 4 multiplied by minus 3 will give minus 12 here. So split the middle term 1x as 4x minus 3x. From these four terms, take the common factor, then we will have this step. After comparison with 0, we will have two roots x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3 by 2. So next question is in the internal option of the quadratic equation. Okay, find the discriminant of given quadratic equation and then write the nature of the roots. So first, if the equation is not given in the standard form, then we have to write the standard form. Here the equation is already in the standard form. So after that, we have to compare the given equation with the standard form. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. After comparison, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 3. Then take the discriminant. Look, again formula. So keep the formula, keep the value properly and find the discriminant. So you will get 12 and 12 is greater than 0. So here you have not to find the roots of the quadratic equations. Do not go ahead because they asked us to write the nature of the roots. So after that, okay, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. We have to conclude that given quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, so here we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 for the model question paper 3. In the next video, we will complete some other questions like question number 4, 5 and 6. Till then, prepare this model question paper. Post your questions in comment section below. Thank you.